Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this MG remote key fob. The battery is situated behind this cover here, so we need to remove it to access the battery. We do that by getting a very small flat-headed screwdriver, and you can just see a little clip there where we just get our screwdriver underneath the clip and very gently just prise it up like so, and then we can get our fingers and thumbs in and just crack the case open like so, and there you go, there is your key fob battery. We just need to remove it from its housing like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032 like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we just simply pop it back into its housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And we just get the cover and we just simply click it back in place, make sure that clip is down, and there you go, it's all done.